Hello all, I welcome you to my video. So I am here with you for special content today. As you all know that government has announced 30% reduction in GSEB syllabus. So I have made a special video for the same, for science subject specially, and in English medium, as the English medium students were in a tense mood as the syllables is not they are in English language, so I have made them for specially. So as you can see over here in chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equation, which topics are included: chemical equations, types of chemical reactions, displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay students, and which topics are excluded: displacement reaction and their activities. Have you observed the effect of oxidation in everyday life? Endothermic and exothermic reaction. Okay students, so mostly 40 to 50% topics are covered from first chapter. Same way, if you are observing in chapter number 2, then you can find in acid, base and salt there are 4 topics, that is understanding the chemical properties of acids and base, what do all acids and bases have in common, how strong are acid or base in solution, more about salts. These all are the topics that is covered and you have to cover actually this year, and which are not included all the activities right from 2.1 to 2.6, activity 2.9, and the first topic of your chapter, that is understanding the chemical property of acid and base. Now moving to the next chapter of chemistry, that is chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. Students, physical properties, how do metals and non-metals react, and occurrence of metals are the 3 topics that you have to study from this chapter, and many topics are cancelled from this chapter. That's a very good news for you all. That is chemical properties of metals, properties of ionic compounds, enrichment of ore, refining of metal, corrosion and prevention of corrosion. Okay students, so 60 to 70% of the topics are cancelled from this chapter. Now let's move to the further, that is carbon and its compound. Only 3 topics you have to study. This is a very lengthy chapter, but only 3 topics, that is bonding in the carbon, that is the covalent bond. Second is versatile nature of carbon, and how soaps and detergents are made and how they are carbon compounds. Which topics are excluded or not included in your syllabus? That is homologous series, chemical properties of carbon compound. Okay students, now moving to the next chapter, that is chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. In this you have to study only 3 topics, that is making order out of chaos, early attempts at the classification of elements, making order out of chaos, that is Mendeleev periodic table, and 5.3 making order out of chaos, that is modern periodic table. And what all things are excluded, that is limitation of Mendeleev's classification and trends in the modern periodic table. These 2 are the topic that is excluded. Okay students, these 2 are the topic that is excluded. Now let's move further, that is from biology section. Students, chapter number 1, that is life process, or chapter 6 in your textbook, only 4 to 5 topics you have to study, that is life process, nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Very lengthy chapter, but as many major portions are excluded students, so you have to study only these 5 portion, and which is excluded only one, that is transportation in plants. Okay, transportation in human beings you have to study, though it is given in both the sections, that is in included as well as in excluded section, but you have to include it as it is carrying a very good marks. Now students, let's move further for chapter number 7, that is control and coordination. Here you can see only 3 topics are given, that is animal nervous system, coordination in plants and hormones in animals. Okay students, so these are the 3 topics that you have to study, which are excluded. What happened in reflex action and function of neuron. These are the 2 topics that are excluded from chapter number 7. Now coming to chapter number 8 students, how do organisms reproduce? Again a very lengthy chapter, but only 2 topics are included, that is asexual reproduction and bisexual reproduction, that is sexual reproduction. And which topics are not included? Do organisms create exact copy of themselves? And second, that is importance of variation. Okay students, now let's come to the last chapter, that is hereditary and evolution. So only 4 topics you have to study: heredity, evolution, speciation, evolution and classification. So which all chapters are excluded? Only 3 chapters are excluded, that is accumulation of variation during reproduction, evolution. Example, evolution should not be equated with the progress. Students, you can also cross verify the same topic in the textbook, because I have mentioned the exact number. Okay students, now coming to the physics section. Students, first chapter of physics is light refraction and reflection, or reflection and refraction. Okay students, and the chapter given in your textbook is chapter number 10. Only 3 topics you have to study. Again a very lengthy chapter, but it's cancelled. A very good news for you all, that is reflection of light, spherical mirrors and reflection of light. So no need to study any of the numericals, no need to study any of the ray diagram of mirror, of lens. Okay students, no sign conventions and all. Okay, now coming to the next chapter of physics, that is the human eye and the colorful world. Refraction of light through prism, dispersion of white light by glass prism, atmospheric refraction and scattering of light. These are the 4 topics that you have to study carefully, which are excluded. Major portions are excluded, that is human eye, power of accommodation, defects of vision and their correction, twinkling of stars and color of sun during sunrise and sunset. Okay students, these are the 5 topics that are excluded. Now coming to the third chapter, or chapter number 12, name is electricity. Only 6 topics you have to study: electric current and circuit, electric potential and potential difference, circuit diagram, Ohm's law, resistance and system of resistors, and last Joule's law, or heating effect of electric current. See, only minor portion is excluded from this chapter, that is numerical related to resistivity of resistor and electric power. Students, मोस्टली अगर पेपर में न्यूमेरिकल आएगा तो चैप्टर 12 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में से आने वाला है, वो श्योर है, क्योंकि एक न्यूमेरिकल जो चैप्टर 10 में से आता था वो तो निकल गया है। ठीक है, तो चैप्टर 12 के न्यूमेरिकल्स अच्छे से करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। ठीक है, आपके पास मई तक का टाइम है। नाउ कमिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ फिजिक्स, दैट इज मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स, force on current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, and electromagnetic induction are the 3 topics that is majorly you have to do for this year. तो कौन सा टॉपिक निकल गया है स्टूडेंट्स, आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी खबर है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही लेंथी टॉपिक्स थे और इसमें डायग्राम्स भी बहुत थे, वो सब निकल गया है। सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू ए करंट थ्रू ए स्टेट कंडक्टर। सेकंड, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर निकल गया। और डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, मतलब हमारे घर पे कौन सी इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट होती है, कनेक्शन कैसे होता है, फ्यूज़ क्या होता है, ये सब कुछ निकल गया है। ठीक है, एक तरीके से अच्छा है और दूसरी तरीके से बुरा है, क्योंकि ये सब कुछ है वो बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें थी जो निकाल दी है गवर्नमेंट ने। अब हम आगे जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स जनरल साइंस सेक्शन के ऊपर। इसमें 3 चैप्टर्स है, 14, 15, 16। कमिंग टू द 14 चैप्टर, सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी, यू हैव टू स्टडी 5 टॉपिक्स, 14.1, 14.2, 3, 4 and 5. The name is what is good source of energy, conventional source of energy, non-conventional sources of energy, environmental consequences, and how long will an energy last us. Then which all topics are excluded? The excluded topics are energy from the sea, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, biomass and biogas plants. Okay students, now coming to our environment chapter, the very major and important topic is excluded, that is food chain and food web. And which all topics are included? Ecosystem and its components, how do our activities affects the environment, and also students ozone, its formation and its depletion, and some डिस्कशन अबाउट वेस्ट, दैट इज़ बायोडिग्रेडेबल एंड नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट। ये सब कुछ आपको करना है। वैसे भी चैप्टर 15 बहुत ही छोटा चैप्टर है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट इज़ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ why do we need to manage our resources. Second topic that will be coming, that is forests and wildlife. Third topic is water for all, and fourth topic is coal and petroleum. And the topics that are not included is forest stakeholders and water harvesting or watershed management. Okay students, ये दोनों टॉपिक ही नहीं आने वाले, बाकी सब टॉपिक्स आएंगे। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मेजरली सबसे ज़्यादा आपको केमिस्ट्री सेक्शन में से क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। उसके बाद जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो फिज़िक्स में से आएंगे, और उसके बाद आपको बायोलॉजी में से पूछा जाएगा। मतलब केमिस्ट्री, फिज़िक्स और बायोलॉजी, यही सीक्वेंस रहेगा। केमिस्ट्री में से सबसे ज़्यादा वेटेज वाले क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, सबसे ज़्यादा वही सेक्शन में से आने वाले हैं। उसके बाद फिजिक्स में से आने वाला है, और उसके बाद आपको बायोलॉजी, और उसके बाद आपको जनरल साइंस। जनरल साइंस के ये 3 चैप्टर में से 12 to 13 मार्क्स का पूछा जाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं पूछा जाएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाकी केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स का 17 16 ऐसे करके आप अगर ऐड करोगे तो हो जाएगा। सो होपफुली आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, तो ज़रूर से GSEB स्टूडेंट्स को शेयर कर दीजिए, क्योंकि उनके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है ये साल की बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।